Welcome to Hawaii Academy, introducing the Diploma in LED Technician and Video Jockey. This course is designed for students who want to work in live events, stage shows, and LED video wall operations. This is a hands-on technical program that teaches you how to control, configure, and operate LED video walls, especially during live events and shows. After completing this course, you can work as a video jockey, a live event console operator, an LED wall configuration technician, or an LED event technician. As events become more advanced and visually impressive, the demand for skilled LED technicians and video jockeys is growing every year. If you are passionate about technology, live events, and stage production, the Diploma in LED Technician and Video Jockey at Hawaii Academy is the perfect step toward your future.